Welcome to our team's CA1 port operations video. And our team members are Sumiat Mohen, Fitri Nabila, Nur Christina Idiana binti Muhammad Idar, Chu Shita, and last but not least, Han Yuchen. Today, we'll be doing a presentation on enhancing Singapore ports. In this video, each member will be answering questions and giving their reasons. Firstly, Nabila will be talking about the world-class port services. These services are recognized as world-class in Singapore. Secondly, Christina will talk about the new growth opportunities Singapore Port possesses. Followed by Shita, answering how the usage of automation and digitalization has achieved the vision of making Singapore a global hub. Last but not least, Yuchen will share about our team's immediate concerns about teams increasing complex operations.
Singapore is the world's busiest transshipment port, the largest bunkering port, and a leading ship repairs and conversion center. The quality, efficiency, competitiveness, and reliability of Singapore's port and shipping services have made it the preferred marine international port of call. Bunkering is the process of supplying fuels to ships for their own use, and Singapore is one of the largest and most important bunkering ports of the world. An average of 140,000 vessels entering the facility each year. It's the largest bunkering port in the world.
Singapore has grown from a small fishing village to a world-class port housing more than 120 international shipping groups. Singapore would have to continue to create methods to attract larger shipping lines to come to Singapore for business purposes. By doing so, this will help Singapore move towards their goal of becoming a maritime hub for connection, innovation, and talent. As you can see here, these are how Singapore has progressed from a small fishing village to a #1 world-class port now. Our group feels that Singapore could see the maritime industry at another perspective to see different ways where we can increase our revenue and broaden our social circle. With the addition of emergence of e-platform companies such as Ocean Freight Rate Exchange and Vessel Value, it's important that Singapore remains relevant in the global supply chain.
The use of digitalization and automation, such as the use of the electronic bills of lading for the use of trade and maritime documentation. Fund that is aided by the government respectively, which would increase and improve the efficiency of the port. With greater capabilities, that would cause an increase in the number of shipping lines that wishes to come to Singapore for their business. Besides that, automation and digitalization will result in government trying to bring more well-trained personnel such as managers, professionals, executive, and technician roles. Workers that are currently working in the maritime industry will also have need to undergo skills upgrading. This is to ensure that Singapore will be a global maritime hub for connectivity, innovation, and talent.
It will be difficult to keep on advancing the technologies if companies receive more complaints while increasing number of workers find marine technologies are too difficult to understand its function and purpose. This will result in low productivity. So, the solution for this is we need to send the workers to specific courses to the ones they are not so sure or unclear about, so that they can be more capable and ready for the jobs they were offered even if they have no knowledge with modern technologies. This allows the companies to increase the productivity and be able to handle the increasing demand of deliveries through shipping.